Okay, or I like it a lot. Tanin shegomorlom. So whatever it is that pleases, that you're liking is actually the subject of tanin. Okay? And whoever it is who likes it comes after the let. So lom or lat. Okay? Or if you don't like it, doesn't please. Nihanin. Okay, and I don't like it at all. Nihanin shalom echorbe. Means I don't like it. Echorbe means at all. Means basically in any manner or something like that. Okay? And did you like it is orhan shalat. So did it please you? Orhan shalat. And the way you say yes, han. Or I liked it a lot. Han shigamorlom. And no is near han. And I didn't like it all. Near han shalom echorbe. So Durchi Gurhan Antanum Kolam Gomorle. So she said Gurhan, that pleased, Antanum Kolam, the name Kolam, Gomor greatly with her or her. So that the name Kolam pleased her greatly. She liked the name Kolam a lot. Okay. Durchi Gurhan Antanum Kolam Gomorle. Okay. And again, that word you're going to hear three pronunciations. You'll hear Han, Hatchin, or Hatton. Okay. Hatchin probably being the close to pronouncing the way it's spelled. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's do the questions. So first of all, Keshtahain, Karev Kolam. Huh? Oh, Rahanche. Salaba. Huh? Sachaftarnia in the pub or Salaba. There's a bunch of places, right? Okay. Kad or Erche. So what on it did he look? Or what did he look on?
Oh, was the first question bad then?
Yeah, actually I'm kind of going by the story order, so but you're welcome to throw in other answers. Okay, so Kader or Erche? Aaron Glog, right? Okay. I guess Mord Bajer. Okay, stuff to go Conic go Wakashe and board freshens. Derche Aaron Glog, he looked at the clock, right? I guess Karev Achlog, where was his clock? Aaron Mord. Okay. Via Chlog Aaron Mord. I guess or Iri Kolam Galua. I imagine. Did Kolam get up early in the morning? Near Iri. Alright. Visha in Avon Le Nurad. Visha in Avon Le Nur Adairisha. So it was in its noon when he got up, so it was noon time. Karevshe Erer. So what? So what? Safub. Sachaftarnia, Safub. Yeah, Safub. Safub. Right, so Bluishtan glass. Safub. You can say pub is also Safub. Okay, Sachaftarnia, right. All right. Aaron Drowlus. he was on a tear. Okay. Kelo Arevshe. So who with them was he? Kelo Arevshe. Lenacharja, right. Visha Lenacharja. Kat Arinisha Erer. What did you do last night? Hey. Dolce. Visha Gol. Visha Gol. Drinking, a goal. Right, I guess. Anyways, Kele or Wulshe, with whom did he meet? And in Irish, it's a girl. It's obvious because it's Kele. With her did he meet? Okay, so Kele or Wulshe, huh? Who? The kid. So, Kile? Le couple Kalin, right? Le Sheila, okay? Le Kalin's Chachtarnia, right?
You can't say Zwa,
Le Rach Kalin, right? Le Rach Kalin. Okay, actually, no, you don't say Le Rach, you say Le Berch. Because it's two people. Le Berch Kalin. Okay. All right. It's time to read. Okay. So back to whichever page you're easier for you to read from. I'm going to read through the whole thing once and then we'll go around. Okay. Dosgol Colomoshe Ahuila agus Ligshe Knadas. Hashe Salaba agus Dechshe an glog a bhí an mór den ac an lapa. Bhí na lavig taring ban lei. Ligshe Knadele as, Ligshe Knadele as agus haring sin na hédi lapa harachan. Bhí Geall beag damanta eigen ag bula a chlar edin le casur cruach. Bhí scór Geall ag sa prickery che in a villa. Bhí cé Geall ag sa spiki biorachas deach in a huila. Noch sé a chean a ríis agus hosi sé ag luberníl go mí huamhnach. Hánig imachtaí na hícha réir arás na chibna. Thuir sé tús leis an ihe ag ól na chairde sa glúist an glas, an tarne I lar na cathrach an ganachló bula le chéile. An sin, chuí siad ar aig go dtí bailach na bófinne, an club ihe galanta taobh ó dheast an chathair. Dá sé go troman sin, agus bhí sé go maireach le drolín taspi nuair a thug sé calín fuideara. Bhí sé ina síle cúpla calín eile ag an mór den aice leis. Chur a gairí dritlín glundar tríd. Chur ag núis álinn agus a fót buíháin faoi ghriacht é. Thuiris tamalín, dairí leis dó chun cainte leis, chun cainte lei. Thuiris tamalín eile, bhí sé na hí an aice lei agus a láb faoin na coméige. Dordí sé champagne agus dul siad sláinte a chéile. Síle an tanam a bhí orthaí. Dúirtí gur hean tanam colm go mór lei. Okay. So, let's start us off, Heather.
As go chum sé hiile agus lí sé knadas.
Tá sé sa lába agus déag sé ar an glug a bhí ar an mór in acan na lába.
Sean?
Dina lava tarnt. They're bottom way.
Heather?
Ligshake na ela asalis haring shin hedi
Na hédi laba.
na hedi lapa haring khan
Harachan. Polly?
Bhí Geall beag damada éigen.
Damanta.
Damanta éigen ag bula a thar éigen le casur
Cruach.
cruach.
Ishkor Javel Agasha
Igsa.
Agsa Prickery
Prickery.
to in a coil.
Nazilla. Kevin?
Vike, Geall, ex Spicker, Bruca,
Igsa spiki bioracha.
Exar, Spicky,
Bioracha.
Bjorka. Isjak in a Gri.
In a huila.
agus tosi sé ag Lubernau,
Ig Luberníl.
Luberniel, ó Mishabna.
Go mí huamhnach.
Igulna.
Faragin?
Hanning, ní
Imachtaí
imachtaí, ní
na hícha
nachíta,
a réir
as
arás
arás,
ina chuimhne.
cuimne,
Yeah, Bob? Got this.
Oh, fuair sé tús leis an oíche ag gcóil lena carriages Lucian glas an tarne a lárna cathrach nar gnách leo bula le chéal.
Yay.
Then
An sin hula siad
hui siad.
Hui siad. Then you say the word.
Erai,
Erai. Goji balach na bofian
finja.
finya. An club iha glanata.
Galanta. Yeah, galanta would be cleaned. That had been cleaned. Galanta.
Tiv o
Yes.
yes on den
Then hatter.
haher.
Tá sé go traman sin agus bhí sé chun méidirach
Amira.
a drilling tascí nó a thug sé an calan faoide.
Bhí si ina sí